All right, another biking adventure, you guys here. I'm going to bike on the Minnesota River Bluffs LRT Regional Trail on the old bike. So here we are right here. This is the whole thing. I did the other direction. The last ones went all the way that way. So kind of cruise along over here. This is more on aggregate, so get all kinds of stuff. These are, tell you they're weak. So we're going to cruise all the way down to, it ends at Carver County. They didn't continue on, so away we go on a beautiful day. Husked 5 dozens of corn today. With a lovely action coming out in 2025 in June. So downtown was pretty wild today. Fortune cookies were in town, and so were the rats, Cincinnati rats, and they had something else going on. So away we go, you guys. Let's get on the old vehicle here without killing myself. The old bike. Away we go, man. Nice day here in Minnesota. A little rain this morning, but not much, but we need it. So we're gonna cruise right along. I saw those young men that I did on before. Luke and his buddies were down there trying to catch carp. They live on Glen Lake, so the cowboy. I'm like, you guys, what's happening? So good to see them fishing, hanging out on a Saturday afternoon. I guess it's October. Their hockey tryouts start. One's a goalie, so anyways, let's cruise along here. I've done this with the wife for Memorial Day a couple of years ago. We stopped. I want to go all the way to the end. But to my right is I've done videos back in before looking for ghosts. Where I buried all the trolls. On the right. But yeah, it's a great day for a bike ride. Brought the GoPro 10 along for taking pictures. Kind of clear cut it over here. They don't want anything to get up there on the power lines. Looks like pretty good for September. Like I said, as long as we get through October, the trick-or-treaters, they can go out in their costumes and have a good time. After November 1st, have at it. September and October are great months in Minnesota. I snorkeled to the right in that lake over there. Kind of tell the leaves are kind of, some are turning colors. This was the old Chicago's Northwestern line. I think they stopped running right before my dad died. I think they tore up the track after my dad died. My brother moved in. Oh, yeah, a lot of stuff going on downtown Minneapolis. They had some Red Bull race going on. It's just not conducive for downtown. A lot of people downtown, but no shopping downtown. When they come in for the National Fix-It League or anything else, the mall of Wisteria is the big draw. He's up here jogging. I just couldn't do it. It's too much. Hopefully we get a cold winter this year. Kills all those weeds and shady oak. This is too much work up here. So now we're going under 494. Now it's good to see those young men out there fishing. They had a bike from Glen Lake. By jumping this trail up here, they probably came down Baker Road up here. It's good to see them out fishing, trying to catch carp. Told them ham works better, but when I talked to him last time, he was Googling carp, what to catch, and you can't throw them back. That and bullheads. I think I talked about before down south. They throw back walleye and keep carp. Just cross Baker Road there. On the left here, I did like two videos a long time ago. I took her down there. It's a kind of a private property, but they let you walk around. Lady lives on it. Guy invested in it. Sky Ridge Preserve. Look it up. Really cool to walk around. The guy put his money into it. Wife lives there. Great place for a little wedding. Paid $500. Really cool down there. You can kind of see it in the left there. I walked around it. Really kind of cool. A lot of sumac on the right there. I planted a lot of it, I'd say 10 years ago when they tore up my backyard. It's really growing real well. Yeah, it's cool down there. I think it was up here, or maybe, I think to my right was a old railroad yard, I think. To my right might be cement. Oh, there's a snake. Oh, there's a snake right there. Little gardener snake. It's a lot of work this trail does. The one I biked on, you guys saw, is paved. Again, if I had the money, you're a very wealthy man. If you build a bridge, across that railroad bridge, adjacent to it, and I'm over here one time. To my right, I walked through the woods, looking for UFOs and stuff, having some fun. Really cool up in there. The old boys' home was over there. Now it's the Hennepin County, what do you want to call it, morgue, autopsy area. So. Hey. Oh well. I think I missed my little turn to avoid this big hill. So anyways, we'll turn around. Oh, right through here. I can go right through here. Perfect. All right. See you in the next one.